एमबीए का मतलब मास्टर्स ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, मतलब कि कोई बिजनेस और कर रहा है और आप उसको किस तरह से चलाएं। तो सारी ज़िंदगी अगर नौकरी करनी है, सैलरी कमानी है, तो वो एमबीए बहुत अच्छा है। और अगर लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल होना है और अचीव करना है जो तुम करना चाहते हो, तो उसके लिए एक दूसरा एमबीए जो जिसमें मैं बिलीव करता हूँ वो है मास्टर्स ऑफ बेस्ट एक्शंस। मास्टर्स ऑफ बेस्ट एक्शन का मतलब ये है, आपने एमबीए कर लिया लेकिन आप लेजी हैं। आपने एमबीए कर लिया बट यू हैव एडिक्शंस। You have done MBA but your health is not good, it's not letting you go anywhere. So therefore you have to be a master of best actions. Best actions means number one, you have to have good habits. Good habits का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप सिगरेट मत पियो, शराब नहीं पियो या ये मत करो. Good habits का मतलब ये है कि basically you do everything which A keeps your body healthy, second thing is which keeps your mind innovative and creative, and the third thing is that you are always ready when the opportunity comes. You won't be able to enjoy a beautiful rainbow or sun, so you won't be able to enjoy the real things in life, the real experiences. And that's why you see people who are so addicted to social media and all their communication is through social media. Those people, when they come to face, they end up fighting and they just cannot communicate with each other. So I think the best MBA is when you do masters of best actions. But then the problem is, how do you choose what are the best actions for me? It's very simple. Okay, any habit which is taking you towards the purpose of your life, towards the goal of your life. If you don't want to become rich and you just want to keep working and you just want to draw salary, then it's fine, you do regular MBA because everybody does it. But if you want to be original and you want to stand out, then I think you should do the MBA of life, which is Masters of Best Actions.
सर, सक्सेसफुल आदमी आपकी नज़र में क्या है और कौन है?
So success, there's a problem with this word success. You know, you will find that success is used basically in terms of money, power, glamour. How many people say, "Oh, now my son has become successful because he has bought a car and a house." You know, and we are successful when you are young. You are successful because you have got better clothes than others, and slowly it keeps moving. Power also means success. But imagine if you have everything and if you have a very bad health, are you successful? And even if you have great health and you have everything on the earth, but you die and nobody cares about you, everybody forgets you in 6 months, is that success? मैं तुम्हें एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ सोक्रेटिस की. You know, Socrates जानते हैं ना, the Greek philosopher. So for his radical ideas he was given poison. So जब उन्हें poison दिया गया and he was on his deathbed, so उसके शिष्य लोग जो थे, students थे, they were all surrounding him and he said, I don't feel anything in my feet, in my legs. मेरे पाँव में कोई feeling नहीं रह गई है, but I am fully there. And then slowly he said, now I can't feel anything in my thighs, but I am fully there. Nothing has gone out of me. Now I don't feel, I am numb in my stomach, but I am fully there. They couldn't take anything out of me. So ये था ना कि सोक्रेटिस को मार डालो. सो ही सेड, बट आई एम अलाइव, दे हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू किल मी. और धीरे धीरे उसके हाथ, पाँव, गला, चेहरा, एंड उसका जब हार्ट भी नम हो गया, एंड ही सेड, आई कांट फील माई हार्ट बीट बट आई एम स्टिल देयर, दे कुडंट टेक एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ मी. और करते करते सोक्रेटिस डाइड फाइनली. बट देन सोक्रेटिस, डिड ही डाई? ही नेवर डाइड. अभी तुम सोक्रेटिस जिंदा है कि नहीं, उससे कुछ फर्क पड़ता है तुम्हें? जो सोक्रेटिस ने किया वो तो तुम्हारे सामने है, जो आइंस्टाइन ने किया वो तुम्हारे सामने है. डज इट मैटर वेदर आइंस्टाइन इज अलाइव और इज डेड? डज इट मैटर वेदर गांधी इज डेड और अलाइव? दे आर देयर एज एन आइडिया. यू नो, दे हैव लेफ्ट अ लेगेसी. तुम्हारे घर में भी. सो व्हेन यू लीव एन आइडिया, व्हेन यू आर अ मैन ऑफ आइडिया, then you leave a legacy behind. That is success because then you are alive forever. You never die. अच्छा, lot of people may think कि अरे मैं गांधी तो नहीं हूँ, हर कोई तो आइंस्टाइन नहीं बन सकता है, हर कोई तो सोक्रेटिस नहीं बन सकता है. तो लुक एट इट नाउ इन योर फैमिली. तुम्हारी फैमिली में अगर काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं, तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, एंड somebody dies, you forget that person after some time. हाँ, हमारे बड़े अच्छे चाचा जी थे, हमारे बड़े अच्छे मामा जी थे, लेकिन हो सकता है कोई ऐसा आदमी हो जो चले भी जाते हैं, देयर इज समथिंग यू रिमेंबर अबाउट दैम, राइट? लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मदर्स, यू नो, व्हेन mothers die, I don't know, in my life it has happened. When mothers die, you always remember them for one value: love, unconditional love. They always live with you. As long as you live, they live, and everybody's mother lives forever. So I think that when you leave that certain value, which people remember you for all their lives, when you contribute, it doesn't matter whether you have money or not. Gandhi didn't have money. I don't think Einstein was a rich person. Socrates was not a rich person. Buddha wasn't a rich person when he became Buddha. So it doesn't matter that. What matters is whether you are actualizing a certain value or not.